Welcome back, guys, to Happy Wheels. I'm trying to get an office, or it's probably gonna be my garage. I'm gonna just go back. I'm gonna go move. Oh my god, I don't think I'm gonna have internet connection out here. But whatever. I guess if I just keep it on the front page and do these games, maybe it won't. There's probably a really bad bit right there. Maybe it won't be so bad where it just stops my camera from recording. I gotta watch out for black widows. And we are here. I'm gonna rock back. So let's start this off with, oh my god, there's black widows on that chair. Okay, maybe I'll just do this inside. Sorry, on the main screen the whole time. Let's just get out of here. And there we go. From location. Happy Wheels. Let's do this. Lol. What's the point of... Oh my god! No! Bad helicopter man. Oh, no, you stupid. Why don't you drive right? Okay, gotta get up. Okay. No. Am I safe? What the heck? You troll! Yeah, I won, but why that troll do that? Poco jumps from ball fall. What are ball falls? Oh, that emoji brush. Oh, what? Boop. Check, Sonora. It's your body now. Shake, Sonora. It's your body now. Shake your booty now. Shake your booty now. Whoa. Top of the morning to you, ladies. Let's Jacksepticeye. Dora is life. Dora's life. Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. I won. Yeah. What was Deathfall? Oh, one. I'm not sure. Is this gonna crash me? Oh, that's why it's oh my god. No, it wasn't impossible. I'm the best around. And I'm gonna have to take you down. And I'm just glitched. I just asked a bunch of... Okay, I'm gonna get out of that. Minecraft slime quiz. I'm gonna play Mogash. Which mob drops slime balls? Slime. Where are slimes found? I want to say the swamp. And it was a swamp, but just... Stop it! No! Yes. No, you troll noob! You troll! Shush. Oh. How many slimes? I'm gonna go with 18. Nope, it's 17. 30, yeah. I hate quizzes. You can't put them so close together, fools. It makes it confusing. No! You noob. There we go. Okay, so jump on this. Okay. What can you craft? Sticky pistons? Oh, dang it, I know it's something. I thought you could craft, oh no, that's whatever it's called. No, you noob trolls! I'm sorry for saying noob so much. If you're a newbie booby out there and you want to hate, because I don't know, everyone hates on me. I honestly don't understand that. Why do people hate me so much? I mean, like, I go in the comments, just like, you suck at making videos. Well, have you made one before? No, you haven't, idiot. So I don't put time into these videos, as I sort of do by doing them. It's not like I'm gonna update them on stuff. I don't have a great screen recorder that can edit. I can't even cut out parts of videos. Maybe I'll do a video reading hate comments. It's fun to fantasize. Oh. Slimes are big trolls, and I need to get out of here. Win 200,000. Oh. Just supposed to get all these nuts. Here, Gaddy. Yeah, eat them coins. Hold up. Eat them coins. Hold up. Eat them coins. Hold up. Eat them coins. I just won. I've been winning everything. I've been winning everything, gosh. I've been winning everything. What just happened? Stairs of Doom. That's Jacksepticeye boss. If I beat this, I'm Ushums. Oh. Okay. Jump. Oh no, building! So what am I just supposed to? I'll just wait. Give me the coin. Give me the coin! You noobs! Go. No, you noob trolls. Go. Dang it. Ow. That hurt. Oh, yes. Like a bala, I won, y'all. I'm a Jacksepticeye. Top of the morning to you, laddies. And what just happened? You guys see this? Well, I'm just gonna end the video here. I don't know what happened, but hope, like, subscribe, and if anybody says this video sucks, I'm gonna go scream and then throw my computer out the window. Goodbye.